Hello, I welcome you to SOLSOFT. My name is Sol. Today we shall look at how to delete or disable run command history in Windows 11. We recently saw how to create different run commands and how to run them using the run dialog box. And this time we want to see how do we delete all this history that we created. Okay, you could if you want, you can access this run commands similarly in the command dialog box as well. In the command window, what you could do, you just type Windows button R, type CMD, press enter. You do not specifically have to run it as an admin, but it could similarly help us run these shortcuts the way we did in the previous video. In case you do not want to keep a trace of your records, you could type, maybe if I could say right, some of the short commands we saw in the previous video. You could say that I can access such a window just direct by typing the word right in the CMD window here, right? So this helps us right to navigate. If I could also say Explorer, press enter, I can now, you see I'm opening the Explorer direct. And so this one, the moment you tap, you click exit, you do not have any history that could leave a trace behind. Someone cannot really know what you are doing with any given shortcut. But with the command, with the run window, it has to leave a trace. It has to leave a history behind. And this is what we want to delete now. How do we delete this? You just type Windows button R, type regedit, press enter, give administrative privileges. We have the registry editor open. Take note, most of the files are located in the registry editor, which is a bit insecure if you do not have backup any of these files before you make any changes. So for some bit of advice, you have to keep a backup of these files or folders before you make any changes, because the moment you make any changes and you do not be able to revert back to the original file format, you may crash your computer. So we shall locate to the current user. Okay, navigate to software. Okay, we shall go to Microsoft. We look for Microsoft. It's here. Navigate to Windows here, right? Go to current version. Okay, the current version, we shall look for Explorer here. We shall look for the run MRU. It's over here. Double click. The moment I double click on the run MRU, you see that I'll have this page to the right. And so the moment you click on it and then right click, it will show modify binary data, delete or rename. For the case, firstly we wanted to see how do we delete this this history for the different shortcuts and commands we entered in the run dialog window. Click on delete. The moment you click on delete, a pop-up menu will come. Okay, it wants to confirm the deletion of this shortcut. Says delete certain registry values could cause system instability. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this value? Just click yes. The moment I delete yes, click on it and delete it, it will delete the history. How do we verify this? Let me open the registry edit. Let me open the run window. Okay, and expand it here. You'll see that I have some of the shortcuts that I have entered earlier. If I click in the registry editor, let me say B, which is the CMD one. Okay, let's just click the D, which has a calc. Right click and then delete. The moment I delete the certain registry value, they say that deleting certain registry value could cause system instability. Are you sure I want to delete? Click yes. So I've deleted this shortcut for calc. The moment I rerun again the run window and press enter, so then the run, then I expand it here, you could see that the calc is no longer here. Let's delete another one. Let's delete the temp, which is G, at position G. Delete it, press enter. The moment I rerun again the CMD, the run window, then I'll see that the temp is no longer existing. So this is the way of deleting all these shortcuts in commands. We could keep on deleting this, till when you feel that that's the amount or history that you want to delete or modify any of these. So the second method is that we shall see, we want to see how do we just modify, because that was deleting them. How do we disable, okay, the run history in the run window? You might need to delete this, or you might not be interested in specifically deleting or the system keeping your history and your records. So it could be very easy for you to keep no history in the run window. In the run dialog box, just type in the Windows button run, and then you could see a drop down showing that you have some history. Someone might be able to track you and see what were you looking for in the command window, in the run window. So to avoid this, we could disable the run this history. Okay, what you could do, just right click, go to settings, go to system. We shall open settings here. Just go to privacy and security. Okay, privacy and security, just go to general, click on let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Just disable this. The moment you disable this, you will not be able to track or keep any history in your run window. The moment you type in a code, it will not keep any history or record. Let's disable this and exit the settings, and we see what we've done. Click Windows button R. You could see I don't have any window, any history at all. Let us try to say type regedit, the registry editor. Press enter. You could see that we are having a registry editor here. But what I want to see is that does the system keep records again? Does it track the history of these run commands again? That's what we want to see. Let's go back to the run window. You see, I'm typing run, but I have no history yet left because I disabled the setting that keeps on keeping records and the history in your run window. Okay, navigate back, go to settings, just type Windows button plus I, could open, go to privacy and security, go to general, again activate it. The moment I activate the let Windows improve start and speech and search results by tracking app launches, then it will be able to leave history again. Type Windows button R, type regedit, let's type right, press enter, it will open. But the moment I press Windows button R, you could see that I'm again left with with the history behind. So we've seen how to disable, how to delete, and how to deactivate that. Or else you could also deactivate the same settings for the track history using the registry editor itself. Let's open the registry editor again. We shall still go and disable this track history in the registry editor. How do you do that? We shall navigate to Explorer. Okay, we go to Advanced. Okay, when the moment you reach Advanced, just tap on double click, just left click on Advanced. You then look for start the start track progs. This one, you just right click on it, then you go to modify. See, the moment you click on modify, we shall have the value data. We shall change this bit rate value from 1 to 0. Okay, click and change it to 0. The moment you change it to 0, you'll have deactivated the track history. Press OK. Okay, and then you close the registry editor. It will similarly do the same thing. Just try to right click on R, type temp, press enter. We shall open a program. Closing it, typing Windows button R, you will see that I will be left with no history behind. This is another method of having run history disabled in the command, in the run window, using command prompt. That's all I had for you today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to leave a subscription to improve SOLSOFT's performance. I wish you all the very best. Bye.